So Vishwanath Chakravarti has a very short commentary on this first opening verse of the Gopis' Search for Krishna, chapter 30. He says this basic chapter, he gives a little outline of the chapter. It describes how the gopis are the madness and separation from Krishna. And being mad, and they're looking for Krishna, and they're seeing trees. So one of the symptoms or characteristics of Mahabhav, which is the intense, great, Maha means great, the great Bhav or the great love of the Vraja-gopis. There are 6 symptoms of Mahabhav that are described in Ujjvala Nilamani by Rupa Goswami Pad. So in Mahabhav, Radharani's Mahabhavati Radha, so in her Mahabhav, and any of the gopis experiencing Mahabhav, one of the symptoms of Mahabhav, this intense divine spiritual love that's only with the gopis, even the queens of Dwarka, they don't have this Mahabhav. He said they project their human feelings and their human emotions on other living entities, on trees, on animals, on birds, and even on insentient things. Like, oh, rocks. They speak to the rocks. They speak to the mountains. Oh, mountains, are you feeling like us? Are you mountains? I mean, that's really high sensitivity. So this is due to unmad. This is the symptom of madness in Mahabhav. So it's very dynamic. So when you understand the tattvas and principles and definitions of Mahabhav and all these symptoms, then you see the lila, then you see how they're exhibiting these. This is what is called Rasa Tattva and Prema Tattva, which is deep subject which enhances one's understanding of the leelas that he's reading and enables one to further actually identify with the transcendental feelings and emotions of the players in the leela, naming Nayak and Nayaka, Krishna and Radharani and the Gopikas. So then he explains that this chapter they're inquiring, they're asking from the trees and the river. They're talking to the Yamuna. They're talking to the water. They're talking to the trees. They're talking to the earth. Oh earth! Oh earth! Krishna is walking on you. Everyone's walking on you. So we don't know where he is walking, but since he's walking on you, you must know where he is. Oh earth, can you tell us where Krishna's gone? Oh yes, just go to that big kadamba tree and turn right and go 50 meters, he's hiding in there. Oh, thank you. Thanks for the tip. Zoom. So this is insanity. Capital I. But we're also going mad to attain that insanity.